Skin problems vocabulary. Acne. Meaning, small red pimples on the skin. Many teenagers get acne during puberty. She used a special cream to reduce her acne. Pimple. Meaning, a small swollen spot on the skin. A big pimple appeared on his nose. She tried not to touch the pimple on her face. Blackhead. Meaning, a small dark spot caused by blocked pores. Blackheads often appear on the nose. He bought a mask to remove blackheads. Whitehead. Meaning, a small white bump on the skin. She noticed a whitehead on her chin. This cleanser helps prevent whiteheads. Rash. Meaning, red irritated skin. The child developed a rash after eating strawberries. This soap sometimes causes a rash. Dry skin. Skin that lacks moisture. Cold weather often causes dry skin. She uses lotion every day for dry skin. Oily skin. Skin that produces too much oil. Oily skin can cause acne problems. He washes his face often because of oily skin. Sunburn. Red and painful skin from too much sun. He got a bad sunburn at the beach. Use sunscreen to avoid sunburn. Blister. A bubble on the skin filled with fluid. The new shoes gave her a blister. He covered the blister with a bandage. Scar. A mark left after a wound heals. She has a small scar on her arm. The cut left a long scar. Bruise. A dark mark caused by injury. He got a bruise after falling down. The bruise disappeared after a few days. Cut. A break in the skin. He got a small cut while cooking. She cleaned the cut carefully. Wound. A serious injury to the skin. The doctor treated the wound quickly. The wound healed in 2 weeks. Swelling. Skin becomes bigger because of injury or illness. Her ankle had swelling after the fall. The swelling slowly went down. Psoriasis. Skin disease with thick red patches. Psoriasis causes dry, scaly skin. He visits a doctor for psoriasis treatment. Wart. A small hard growth on the skin. He has a wart on his finger. The doctor removed the wart. Mole. A small dark spot on the skin. She has a mole on her cheek. The doctor checked the mole. Spider veins. Small visible blood vessels under skin. Spider veins appeared on her legs. Treatment reduced spider veins. Freckles. Small brown spots on the skin. Freckles appear in the sun. Her face is full of freckles. Chapped skin. Rough, dry, and cracked skin. Cold wind caused chapped skin. She used cream for chapped skin. Flaky skin. Skin that falls off in small dry pieces. Flaky skin appeared on his scalp. Moisturizer helps reduce flaky skin. Pigmentation. Dark or uneven skin color. Hormones can cause pigmentation. This treatment helps reduce pigmentation. Wrinkles. Lines on the skin caused by aging. Wrinkles appear with age. She used cream to reduce wrinkles. Cellulitis. A serious bacterial skin infection. The doctor diagnosed cellulitis. Cellulitis causes redness and swelling. Vitiligo. A condition causing white skin patches. Vitiligo affects skin color. The doctor explained vitiligo treatment. Melasma. Dark patches on the face. Pregnancy sometimes causes melasma. She used cream for melasma. Rosacea. Redness and visible blood vessels on the face. Rosacea made her cheeks red. The doctor treated rosacea.